Howdy, you guys. Those who have been traveling in Switzerland using their scenic train will agree with me about two things. One, Switzerland cannot be enjoyed in the short time unless you use their scenic train. And two, they're very expensive. So this is one of them amongst few of them that accept the Eurail Passholder. Okay, so if you have a Eurail Passholder, it's pretty much free. Okay, so this is one of them called Glacier Express, and look how beautiful is their train. The roof is all made out of glass. It's so luxurious, guys. So worth it to go. And a lot of places in Europe, in Switzerland, you cannot go with you cannot see it by car. It's too far by walking. It's if you stay there too long, it's too expensive. Switzerland is one of the most expensive place in Europe. So anyway, let's say you want to book in the scenic train called Glacier. Let me see if you can see GLACIEREXPRESS.ch, and if you add /en, it will bring you to their English language website. Okay, Glacier or Glacier, according to my husband. Anyway. If you just go to the menu, for example, or hold on, let's say you just fill up all the booking information here. Okay, where we just play from, let's say, Andermatt. I don't know how to pronounce it, to let's say Zermatt. On the longest leg, the Eurail Passholder reservation fee is about 23 Swiss franc, which is pretty much about around the same $23 US dollars. Okay, and here you pick up what date you want and book ahead of time. But if you book it more than 3 months ahead of time, they won't allow you anyway. But book 3 months ahead of time. Otherwise this feel really quick. And when you click, they show you the real price of the ticket here, which is 129 just from Andermatt to Zermatt. I think this is the the shorter leg, because the longest leg I found out it's about $280. Okay, $280 one trip, not round trip. So then here on the bottom you pick. Okay, here you pick which, this is what available. You pick this one, and they show you again the $23 reservation fee. And this is the only thing you want to pay, because you already have the ticket. They accept Eurail Pass, or Eurail Passholder is can take this train free. You just need to pay the reservation fee only. So here you pick which train you want, for example. Okay, and then you click next, as if you're buying a ticket ordinary. And where are you going to punch the fact that you already own a ticket here? Okay, when they ask you about your name, let's say your name is whatever, and then let's say your name is whatever, and then let's say your birthday is whatever, and then the month of your birthday, and then the year, let's say that person will be dead by then, whatever. Here on this area where it's a reduction traveler, click here. It will show you on the very bottom, one of the choice is Eurail or Interrail Pass on the very bottom. I don't know why they put us here on the very bottom. I have no idea, but click there. All right, and then if you click next, you will see that ticket price now goes down to 23 Swiss franc. Okay, so because this is the only one you need to pay, because you already have your Eurail Pass. And this is worth it, because from the end to the other end of this Glacier Express scenic train in Switzerland, it's $280 first class. And this one you only pay $23, about $23. Okay, here you pick up your meal, and then you click add to cart, and then you start paying using your international credit card. And because this train is so popular, the scenic train, and also the other scenic trains are very popular, so you need to book ahead of time. I suggest you. And yes, you can use eurail.com to book this, but they charge you 7 euros, I think, on top of this 23 Swiss franc. So sucks. Okay, you don't want that. I know you have so much money to burn. I know you are rich, but saving money is really a thrill, nice to do, and I like that. So if you want to save money like me, go to Glacier Express and do it yourself. and you save that $7 per train. All right, per train. Remember, guys, per train. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this video and happy traveling. Bye bye.